The back right corner.
Yep, and probably should go up pretty easy because the weight's going to want to go to that corner. But it's a heavy building. It's a big 27, 30-foot building.
I'll go over there and show them. Almost there. Let's see. That's it. Yep, where did it? Ta-da! You go over there. But with this water, I normally try to get him to put it back in the bucket. I don't like wasting nothing. But he don't care for it. You're good.
No. We need to check this, but you gotta get through there.
Well, if it's level on all three corners, wouldn't it be level here?
Maybe, maybe not. Let's check it and see.
Alright, well. Alright, okay.
Well, the people who set this up originally didn't set but one pier on this side in the middle, so we added two more. We had to pull out blocks and stuff like that and dig in, so it's a lot of hard work, but you know, it's not as bad as doing a roof or digging a ditch, so ain't that bad. But let's go inside and see how it feels. All right. Yeah, it feels better. Let's look at how far we came off that tree.
What?
Was sitting right there, that part was. And then it was way down here. So we put it up where it needed to be, which is quite a bit more level now.
And the tree can grow into it more.
If she wants it.
I guess this tree will never go that way. But it will pull its roots up into the house.
Yeah, when the root ball comes up, it lifts the house up probably. Anyway, I haven't talked to her about what she wants to do about this tree or that tree. But maybe she wants to keep it for shade. I don't know. Now we're going to work on the inside. Yeehaw!